Hey there, Maths buddy! Today we're diving into the exciting world of sets and mathematics. Get ready for an awesome adventure. Imagine you have a bag full of marbles. That bag and all those marbles, that's kind of like a set. In math, a set is just a collection of things. These things could be anything, numbers, colors, even animals. Sets help us organize information and make sense of patterns. Ready to become a set master? Let's go. Just like ice cream, sets come in different flavors, or types. First up, we have finite sets. These sets have a limited number of elements just like a small bag of marbles. Next we have infinite sets. These sets are like a never-ending bag of marbles. They just keep going and going. Then there are empty sets, which are like an empty bag. No marbles, no elements. Finally, we have the universal set, which is like the biggest bag of marbles you can imagine. It contains everything. Sets have their own special language. Don't worry, it's easy to learn. We use curly braces to represent a set. Inside the braces we list the elements of the set, separated by commas. For example, a set of colors could be written as red, blue, green. We also use special symbols to talk about sets. For example, the symbol means is an element of. So, we could say red is an element of red, blue, green. Sets aren't just for math class, they're everywhere. Think about your favorite playlist. That's a set of songs. Or how about a pizza with your favorite toppings? That's a set of ingredients. Sets help us group and categorize things, making it easier to understand and work with information. Section 5, Sets Power Up Math. Sets are like the building blocks of math. They help us understand more complex concepts like algebra. Sets help us solve equations and understand relationships between numbers. Probability. Sets help us calculate the likelihood of events. Statistics. Sets help us organize and analyze data. By understanding sets, you're opening the door to a whole world of mathematical possibilities. Section 6. It's time to set sail. Congratulations, science explorers. You've learned the basics of sets. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Try creating your own sets. What about a set of your favorite animals? Or a set of all the books you've read? The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Keep exploring the world of sets. Remember, this is just the beginning of your set adventure. There's so much more to learn and explore. As you continue your math journey, you'll encounter even more amazing ways that sets are used to solve problems and understand the world around us. Section 8, Sets, your ticket to understanding the universe. Sets are more than just a math concept. They're a fundamental part of how we understand the universe. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, sets help us make sense of the incredible complexity of the world around us. Section 9. Remember kids, science is everywhere. That's all for today, science fans. Keep those brains buzzing and never stop exploring the wonders of math and science. And remember, whether you're rocking out to your favorite playlist or building the next great invention, sets are always there, working behind the scenes to make it all possible. Keep on learning.